What's the pig say?
Elmo.
Elmo's not on. Show me. Where's the pig? Okay, what's the pig say? What's the cow say?
No.
Wow, good job. What's a horse say?
No.
Nay. And a lamb? Remember a lamb? A sheep, I mean? Remember a sheep? Yeah. Bah. It's a sheep. What's a pig say? What's a dog say? A cat? No, a cat, silly. What's a cat say? Where's the baby duck? What's a donkey say? Say hee-haw. Say it, hee-haw. Okay. Ooh, a leopard. What's a monkey say? Hoo, 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 hoo. That's a pelican, I think. What's an elephant say? Good job. And a tiger, what's he say? Roar, wow. And a lion? Good job. What's a bear say? Good job.
The fish.
A fish, what's a fish go? A fish doesn't say roar. A fish goes blub, blub, blub. Can you say that? Good job. Good job. What's a pig say? Pig? Good job. I don't know what a rhino says. I don't know what any of these animals say. They're from Africa. A giraffe, yes. Ooh, okay. What's an owl say? Say it again.
Ow.
No, okay, what's he say? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Can you say it?
Well,
No, what's an owl say? Hoo, hoo.
ow.
Okay, what's he say? Good job. That's very similar to a monkey. What's a monkey say? What's a polar bear say? A polar bear? Roar. Good job.
The bear.
Okay. Wow. What's a donkey say? Donkey? Hee-haw.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Okay. What's a bunny say?
Bunny.
A bunny. What's a bunny say? Good job. Woo, 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 woo.
Meow.
Me. Woof, woof.
Joe.
What's a duck? Baby duck.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Oh, we forgot about a frog. What's a frog say?
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Good job. I think that's all of our animals. What's a donkey say? Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
What's a sheep say?
Bah.
Good job.
Bubba.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bubba.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bubba.
Bye-bye.
Bubba. Dada.
Bye-bye.